So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sanju this side, and in this video I'll be introducing an application called Gravity Launcher. Then you guys will be having a thought in your mind that is this application completely works with the help of gravity? Yes guys, the answer is yes, this application completely works with the help of gravity. Actually it is an innovative application or innovative launcher with a simple and user-friendly UI design. UI means user interface. Also it is inspired by the real world physics, and the icons in this launcher react to gravitational field around us. Actually the funny thing is that you guys will be thinking that why I am doing this video entirely in English. Actually the thing is that there is a girl called Sharon, and she is from Bengaluru, and I think she is watching my video right now. She had challenged me that can you do one single video entirely in English. That's why I'm doing this video in English guys, so nothing else. So without wasting time, let's start. So friends, the name of the application is called Gravity Launcher. It can be downloaded from the Playstore very easily. Also the links are given on the description below this video, and you can download by clicking on them. After downloading this application, just tap on it to open. Then you will be asked to give some certain app permission. You'll have to make sure it is really granted. After that, just click on the button on the screen and you can see that the icons will fall like it is affected by the gravity. It is really fun to handle this application. Also can be used as a pranking application to prank our friends. You can access certain application by tapping on the app icons, like I have access to Facebook right now. Also we can use setting of this application by tapping the launcher icon, and you will be forwarded to the setting page. There you can customize things like changing text color, font style, and can even add different effects. Hope you guys like my video. If anybody is watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also if you like my video, please like and share, and please keep supporting. It's me Sanju, and bye bye baby.